Heart rate monitor. Heartbeat sensor is an electronic device that is used to measure the heart rate or speed of the heartbeat. Monitoring of body temperature, heart rate, and blood pressure are the basic things that we do in order to keep us healthy. Heart rate can be monitored in two ways. One way is to manually check the pulse, either at wrists or neck, and the other way is to use a heartbeat sensor. In this project, we have designed a heart rate monitoring system using Arduino and heartbeat sensor. Here is the connection diagram of this project. 16x2 LCD display has two lines. Each line can display 16 characters. This display has 16 pins. First pin is ground, second is VCC, then contrast, RS, RW, enable, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, VCC, and ground. Pin 1 and 2 provide the supply for its internal circuitry, and pin 15 and 16 provides the supply for its backlight. We have connected pin number 1, 5, and 16 with the ground pin of Arduino, and pin number 2 and 15 with the 5V. Pin number 4 of LCD is connected to the pin number 12, and pin number 6 of LCD is connected to the pin number 11 of Arduino. Pin 7, 8, 9, and 10 are not used. Pin 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display are connected to the pin 5, 4, 3 and 2 of Arduino respectively. Heartbeat sensor module has 3 pins: VCC, ground, and output. VCC pin is connected with the 5V pin of Arduino, and ground pin is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. Output pin of sensor is connected with the A0 pin of Arduino. This is the code of our project. To control the LCD display, we will first include its library in the program. To include the library, we will write in the first line #include liquid crystal.h. Now we will declare the name of the used pins in the sequence of RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, and D7. We have connected RS pin of LCD with pin number 12 of Arduino, D7 of LCD with pin number 2 of Arduino. #define use Arduino interrupts true. This line will activate the interrupt in Arduino. Now we will include the library of the sensor. To include the library, we will write #include pulse sensor playground.h. We have connected the output pin of the sensor at pin A0 of Arduino. Pin 13 of Arduino will blink with the speed of our heartbeat. If the reading will go above 550, then it will be considered as garbage value. Void setup is a function in which we have initialized the LCD. LCD.begin 16,2. It means we are using 16 columns and 2 rows of the LCD display. Pulse sensor.analog input pulse wire. This function will read the data coming from pulse sensor to pin A0 of Arduino. Pulse sensor blink on pulse LED 13. It will blink Arduino's LED connected at pin number 13 with heartbeat. Pulse sensor.set threshold. It will set the garbage reading threshold. Pulse sensor.begin. It will initialize the pulse sensor. Void loop. This function will run over and over again, so whatever we write inside, it will repeat forever. My BMP is an integer type variable. It will store the value of pulse rate. LCD print my BPM. It will display the reading of heartbeat on the LCD. Delay 20. This function will generate a 20 millisecond of delay. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take 3 wires 1 red, and 2 black. We will use these wires later. Now we will solder a black wire at hole number 1 and red wire at hole number 2 of LCD display. Now we will solder a white wire at hole number 4 and brown wire at hole number 6 of LCD display. Now we will solder orange, yellow, green, and blue wires at pin number 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display. Now connect hole number 16 with hole number 1 using a black wire, and hole number 15 with hole number 2 of LCD display using a red wire. Now connect hole number 5 with hole number 1 of LCD display using a black wire. Now connect hole number 3 with hole number 1 of LCD display through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Connect the red wire with 5 volt pin and black wire with the ground pin. Now connect white, brown, orange, yellow, green, and blue wires with pin number 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2 of Arduino respectively. Connect the red wire of the sensor with 5 volt pin, black wire with the ground pin. Connect the purple wire of the sensor with A0 pin of Arduino. Now we will power up our circuit and test its functionality. To test the working, we will put our finger on the sensor. We can see that the sensor is showing the reading of our heart rate. We can compare the reading of our sensor with a pulse oximeter. We can see that both the readings are approximately same. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.